do a brief product review on my rear view mirror for my MG. This thing is tiny, chrome, universal, and ultimately just awesome for the price. I really didn't spend a lot of money on this. I'll link it down in the description. Feel free to click on that. It'll bring you directly to the spot where I bought it. However, this is perfect if you have an old car and don't have the rear view mirror, especially if the rear view mirror doesn't mount on the window. That's a huge thing too. This one has 2 bolt holes going up, and you can essentially just mount it anywhere you'd like. And obviously I don't care much about the trim on this MG window, and so I just screwed 2 holes in it, and then I was able to just mount it straight up. Some people have a dash mount for their rear view mirror, so it would mount around here and it would pop up, and then the rear view mirror would sit right about where my hand is. And this is perfect for that, really. There's a way in the back with a screw to tighten the actual clamp, so that when you drive, it's not just wiggling around like this, and instead it's more sturdy and strong, and exactly kind of where you place it when you're driving. Once again, it's not very big. I want to say it's about 5 inches long. You can check the specs on the link in the description. But as I mentioned, it's perfect. It's chrome. I've got this thing wet and it hasn't rusted very easily, and it fits the aesthetic of the old cars. So for my MG, it looks original, or it looks like it belongs there. But yeah, I bought it on Amazon for dirt cheap and really just put it there because I needed to pass an inspection. As I mentioned, very brief product review. I love this thing. If I need another one for a different car, like, I am absolutely gonna buy another one and dash mount it. I might even do that for my Ranchero project that you'll see on the channel. Definitely poke around, see what you like for this. If you don't like this specific one, there will be other options that pop up on Amazon, but click that link in the description, and then feel free to leave a comment if you have another product, or even if you have one that you like better. We are actually on the lookout for a good one that does mount to a windshield. So if you have that as well, feel free to leave a link to that down in the comments. We'd love to see it because we want one that's quality, chrome, and will mount to the window. That's really all for this product review. Feel free to check out our website at burnoutshow.com to see more of these type products that we love and trust, as well as merchandise and other things that we have posted, our social media accounts, things like that. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.